Hey guys, how's it going? So the 78 F-150 Ranger is all done. So yeah, I got some wheels for the front because CN trucks have the wheels at the front. CN logo on the side. So this is actually a long bed dueling tank. It has two tanks on the side. One here and one here. So yeah. It's got a 4-speed in it. CV antenna. It's got a 351M, 351 modified. Like I showed you before. It's got KC daylighters and wagon wheels on it. So yeah, I got those wheels from my friends at Pine Ridge Railroaders, Model Railroaders. So yeah, check those guys out. Yeah. We'll see you later, guys.